Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Windows 10 or Windows 11 update failed to install error message 0xca00a000. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator and you just need to select yes guys. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy it. Tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in guys. Press enter and see that has resolved the issue. Basically we just set the trusted installed service to start automatically with your computer. Something else we can try as well. You just need to close it off here and go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Comes up with troubleshoot settings. Click on open it. Click other troubleshooters. Select the Windows update troubleshoot to run. Check for Windows update issue has been detected. You just need to close it off here and one more time you just need to check for update and you just need to go to search menu. After that type cmd, click run as administrator and you just need to select yes guys. Now in the command prompt window you just need to type sfc space slash scannow. Press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. This will help you to fix corrupted files in your computer. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% guys. So kindly please wait until this 100% done. After finishing this, go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.